Hello, everybody. Welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art. Hello, everybody. Welcome again for part 2 from the haul. And this part is gonna be all makartt products, okay? So, what do you think? Let's start, shall we? Pa-pa-da-pum. So, the first thing I want to show you is a makartt nail extension gel clear 50 ml, if you please. 50 ml. So yeah, you better know for sure that I was gonna grab that one with the Black Friday. Like, I don't know if you saw it, guys, but yeah, makartt really had some great, amazing deals for Black Friday, and this girl really jumped right into it. Okay, so this is how the poly gel looks. I'm not gonna open it for now because yeah, I already have some clear open, you know what I mean? Okay, next one is nail dehydrator. I know I say that all wrong. English number 1 here. And primer kit. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. Okay, a little secret. I never ever had like a decent dehydrator and primer kit. Nope. I was always working like with alcohol and acetone. And then I had like one primer that I already working with from the beginning, and it looks like it's never gonna run out, like with the pink lid. I know some of you ladies also have the same one. Wow, look at those bottles. So gorgeous. Right? I really love this design. I really do. And these are big bottles as well. So yeah, these ones comes with 15 ml. So yeah, really big bottles. Let's see what else we have. Oh, that rhymes. Oh, do you see that? The jelly nail extension kit from makartt. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with it. Okay, I only gonna open it for you guys. You guys, yeah, let me know in the comments which kit you wanna see me use first. So this is already a pretty old kit. I believe it's one of the first ones. So these are all jelly colors, and like you can see, they are gorgeous. We have yellow, pink, blue, another pink, a purple, a green. Wow, I cannot wait to play with them. So yeah, these are small polygel tubes, only 15 ml. It comes with a base coat, a top coat, the slip solution. It also comes with dual forms and a brush. So yeah, a pretty nice kit if you ask me, right? I know, a lot of you, I know you guys want this. Starry Night Whispers! Yes, makartt, yes! Oh my gosh, I am dying to try this one out. Oh my gosh, guys, you have no idea. Are you ready? Hallelujah, hallelujah! Ooh, look at that! Say what? Just look at that kit, right? Just look at it. Like with the ombre going on, with the purple and the blue, even the brush, even the file. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try out those colors. Are you freaking kidding me? These are all glittery, starry, yeah, polygels. It's such a good description. So if I'm not mistaken, if you lift this up, it also comes with dual forms. We will see if you guys decide when we're gonna use this one, right? One more polygel kit. Hallelujah! Do you see that? House of Florist 12 color nail extension gel kit. Okay, I'm not gonna open this one yet, but trust me, the colors inside of this one, it's saying it already right there, 12 color nail extension kit. So it is also a complete polygel kit. If you want to see me use this one first, let me know in the comments, okay? It looks like polygel, but it's not like polygel at all. Hallelujah! Do you already know what it is? It is a quick gel extension kit. Oh, malantes. Yeah, I think you guys already know. But if you know me, then you already know that I love to work with quick gels. I already have the makartt nude collection with the quick gel. It's similar like that. But yeah, 3 nude colors. And also they are bigger. So let me show you what a quick gel is. It's actually more like a hard gel, but in a little tube with a handy dandy spout on the end. See? Let me tell you, these are perfect if you want to do like those dual forms, but like, you know, those special ones with a really deep sea curve. Let me tell you, quick gels are perfect to go with dual forms like that. If you have those dual forms, girl, what are you waiting for? You better go and look for some quick gels, okay? Especially also the nude ones that I already have from makartt. You need them in your life, girl, for those dual forms. I'm telling you. Yeah, it's like a totally life game changer, okay? So like you see, it again comes with a top and a base, a cute file. It also comes with a brush, and oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, I need to show you this brush because it's not a polygel brush. Do you see the little crystals in here? How gorgeous is she, right? Look at that. So yeah, she is just a gel brush. She is so beautiful. I am so happy that I have my hands on this kit because yeah, it's already like a good time on the market, but yeah, you know, life is expensive. I don't have the money to pay for it, but now I did, thanks to Black Friday. Thank you, Black Friday. If you want me to swatch the quick gels first, you know the drill, guys. Let me know in the comments, okay? Okay, last makartt product of the day. Soak Off a Gel Nail Polish Kit. 6 gel nail polish base, coat, and a top coat, okay? This is like a gorgeous nude collection. Okay. Oh, I cannot wait to see them myself. I already have them already for a couple days. And I even have not swatched them out. Really? Really, Sassy? Yes, really. So it comes like with a little booklet, you know, with your instructions and what else you can buy from makartt. Okay, so, ooh, look at that! How beautiful are these, right? Okay, so I'm gonna pop them out like that. Also the packaging, wow, that's like on fleek, makartt, on fleek, let me tell you. Okay, so the base coat, so it also comes with a base coat. I'm not going to use the base coat today because it's just a swatcheroo, you know. We will use the top coat though, so you guys can see how that's gonna look. Okay, let me put them in the correct order and then we're gonna start swatching. So, 511. Ooh, look at her. So that is how she looks in the bottle. Now let's see how she performs on a nail, shall we? Ooh, this is the first time, by the way, that I'm using a makartt gel polish. Wow, they're nice, guys. Now I understand why everybody always loves them so much. They really are nice and so creamy. Ah, get out. See, we have a bit of fluff. You're not welcome here. That is a neat color as well. And oh my gosh, that is like one coat, guys. That is a one coat. Look at her. I really hope you can see. I don't think you see the true color. Maybe, let me see. Maybe if I put out the light of my phone. I'm gonna look to number 512. Yeah, I think it will be better with the light of the phone off. I hope so. Let's see. Oh yes, so much better for you guys. So this is how this color looks like. It's like, can you call it like a little bit like a caramel color maybe? There we go. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is like a beautiful, gorgeous color as well, guys. Wow. Look at that. Right? Yeah, now you see the color. Now we are talking. So this was the first color, by the way. Now that you see a better, yes, this is the correct color. Take a look at number 513. Ooh, so you can see they're going all darker up in color. The further I go, the darker the colors get, right? Wow, look at that. That's like a proper chocolate milk chocolate color. Oh, these are beautiful. Yeah, I think I already know a couple ladies that are gonna be in love with this kit. Okay, next color is a 514. So this is how she looks in the bottle. Let's see how she looks on the nail. Oh, wow. Ooh. Wow, she is dark, and we still have 2 more colors to go. What? I am now really curious for the 2 last ones because, yeah, you can already tell, guys, the colors are getting darker and darker the further I go. So that makes me like really curious to see the last 2 colors. Wow. Just look at that, right? A 515. Let's see how she looks. Ooh. Okay. And let's see how she looks on the nails, shall we? Oh, wow. She definitely is more dark than the one that I just did. Oh. This one would be perfect, like, if you want to do a design with, like, a lot of wood grain design in it, you know what I mean? Wow. Actually, I think 1 coat would be enough for this one. She is so opaque, I'm not kidding, guys. Just look, it's almost as dark like my black glove. Wow, perfect. 516. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see what she will give us. Here we go. Oh, wow. Woo! That's almost black, guys, but you can see it is not black at all. Wow, that is like gorgeous. I never seen a dark brown like that before in a gel, to be honest. Well, not pre-made, but oh my gosh, look at that. Right? So stunning. So, in the meantime, I will give them all a nice top coat. And then we can give them a closer watch. Okay? Wow, that's like a really nice and thick top coat. Just the way I like it. Oh, like a nice thick top coat is like ideal when you just have done nail art and your nail is like just a little bit bumpy, you know? Yeah. And then you gonna wish that you have like a thick top coat like that. Gorgeous. Guys, they're all top coated and cured. Oh my Atlantis. Do you guys see that? Ah, they're just perfect. Look at that. So the first one is a 511, this one. Then we have 512, 513, 514, 515 and 516. Wow. I am really excited with this kit, guys. Look at that. That's like a proper brown kit if you ask me, right? And you can also see the top coat. It's like nice and shiny. So yeah, this girl is a happy sassy mommy right here. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about those colors. I know the dark ones that are pretty hard to see. Do you see it better? I think you can, right? So this is 516, 515. Wow. 514. 513, 512. I know, a little spooky cat hair. I'm sorry, life with cats. The lightest one, 511. So definitely let me know which one is your absolute favorite out of the set, okay? Okay, so yeah guys, I think I'm gonna close off for now. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and this little swatcheroo. And yeah, I'm gonna close off like I always do. I hope you're gonna do it together with me now. Geef deze beertjes hun brul en hun makartt. And stay sassy. Bye bye everybody. I love you all and I see you later. Mwah. Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video. And also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up. Okay.